Everyone, my name is Sheikh Chan Basha. Just you can call me Chanu. And a large portion of the folks have definitely aware about me in Facebook. I am founder of CMA ICMA group, and it is one of the largest CMA groups in FB. If you are interested to connect with me in Facebook, please search with the keyword Chanu SK and you can give a friend request, and I will accept your friend request as soon as possible. Today lesson we are going to talk about the methods of costing and cost units applicable to the industries. We know that costing is the system of calculating the cost. In the system of costing, we use different methods of costing. Any method of costing can be used in any business according to the need. Methods of costing can be defined as techniques and process applied in different organizations for cost ascertainment on the basis of nature of product, manufacturing activity, production methods, and specific business conditions. There are two main methods of costing. One is job costing and the second one is process costing. Job costing is nothing but specific order for specific goods, and process costing is nothing but standardized goods and services. The other methods of costing are also there, but they are only variants of these two main methods. So here you can look at the methods of costing. The methods of costing can be classified into two. So one is job costing and second one is process costing. Under job costing you can see contract costing, batch costing, and multiple costing. Under process costing, unit costing, operation costing, and operating costing. So in coming future we will tell you all these costings in detail, so you can check my videos. So here I provided the details about industries where methods of costing and cost unit applicable. Here you can see there are different types of industries are here, and method of costing is applicable and cost unit for that industry is also given. Thank you very much for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe, like, and share our videos. Thank you.